Good morning, kids. Today we are going to do. I know holidays have started. You don't want to do more study. Okay. I'm not going to teach you. I know it's holiday time. So let's come with me in Funland and revise some math concepts. Our first activity of maths is workout with numbers. As you know, healthy mind lives in healthy body. So we have brought an activity which will not only help you to be perfect in mathematical concepts, even help you to make your body fit. You can do this activity in any open area of your house like roof, porch, etc. As you can see, the starting point. So you will stand on the starting point and will complete the table written by playing hopscotch. As here, the table of 3 is written. You can write any table after completing the particular table till to the end. Our next step is skip counting. You will jump here on the lines and will speak skip counting of 5 starting from 30 till 50. You will speak like 35, 40, 45, 50. Also, you can change the numbers of your choice. After reaching it at 50, you can do any exercise. Here we have suggested jumping or twisting. You want to ask anything? Yes, I know you are thinking about checkpoint. In the activity, there are 4 checkpoints, or you can say 4 levels. Once you cross checkpoint, it means you have crossed the particular level. And if in between you make any error, suppose while speaking skip counting, you speak 35, 41, then 41 will be wrong. So you have to back to the starting point. Okay. Now, after crossing checkpoint 1, our next step is to walk on even numbers, followed by speed walk. When will you reach here? It means level 2 is over. You have crossed the level. A great achievement. Wow. Let's get acquainted with the steps have to be followed for level 3. Here what you have to do is pick any 3 numbers from the given numbers. Here you can keep any object by writing numbers on that like balls, erasers, etc. Next is to make the greatest number and smallest number with the selected 3 numbers. And if you are successful in making correct greatest and smallest number, you will enter level 4. Now the last and most important level which will help you to reach at your destination, that is finishing point. In 4th and the final level, you have to find the difference between smallest and greatest number. If your answer is correct, the way is open to you. Otherwise, guess what? Go back and do this level again. Interesting one. So be ready to do workout with numbers and share your experience with us through pics or videos. Here are some important points for parents, so kindly listen it carefully. Parents are requested to draw the required figure neatly in an open area. Parents can observe and guide the child by involving themselves in the activity to make it successful. Capture the moments and share with us. Second activity is mathematical tip-top. Follow the given collage to make tip-top. Watch upcoming video. The video will help you to understand how to play mathematical tip-top with your words. Steps to be followed. On outer layer, write different operations of your choice. In the first and second inner layer, write questions related to operations. In the innermost layer, write answers of questions questions asked. Dear parents, this is for you. Kindly listen to it carefully. Parents will help the children to make colorful tip-top. They will write questions and their solutions. 100% involvement of parents and children will be highly appreciated. Third activity is fun with tables. Material to be used, a chart, disposable glasses or any other object of your choice and colors. As you can see, jumble tables are written on the chart. So take one chart and write jumble tables. Now take glasses or any object and write answers on that like shown here. Next step is to ask the child to pick one glass or an object and put it on the correct answer and do it so on. After getting all the correct answer, what do you see in the end? Watch the video and get the answer. After arranging the required materials, start the activity. Instruct the child to pick in any one glass of a particular number and put it on the correct question. Here the child has picked the glass of number 54 and searching for the correct question. Yes, it is correct one. In the same way, do the activity. So this is the outcome, the sign of multiplication. This activity will surely enhance your words proficiency in tables. Dear parents, please be attentive. This is for you. Parents are suggested to arrange the required material and write questions on a chart. Parents will ask the child to keep the glass or any other object at the right place. For every correct answer, parents need to appreciate the children, and after the activity is over, small incentive could be given to boost the morale of the kids. I hope you will enjoy these activities and have fun while learning. Happy holidays! Eat well, sleep well and be rejuvenated. Thank you.